Hey, what's up? More Medic One. Hey, good morning. And if this is your first time to my channel, I want to welcome you. If you're not subscribed, I highly suggest that you do. What we've got on the bench today is a Stihl FS 110R with the 4-mix engine. And let me kind of go over what's going on here. The last two trimmers have been the exact same issue. Now let me show you before I go too far into this. Let me explain something. Whenever you have a fleet of equipment, which I do, we probably have over 60 to 70 or more of the same exact trimmer. We have the Stihl and we have the Echoes. So when you have multiples of equipment that are being used, you're going to have what we call a pattern failure. The issue with this trimmer is that there is lots of vibration and the head won't spin at the end down there. Now, bear in mind that this is the model that has the solid steel drive shaft, and all they do is put a square on the end to engage the gearbox and or the clutch drum on this unit. This shaft can be put in either way because the square is the same on both ends. But whenever this gets worn out and it looks like this, let's go to the other end. That square becomes round and just spins in the clutch drum. So there's nothing for the clutch drum to grab a hold of, and it just spins in there, causes all kinds of vibration. 9 times out of 10, when it takes this out, it takes the drum out as well. So it's the same exact thing as what's wrong with this trimmer. Let's pull the shaft out and let's look at the end of this darn thing. As we can tell, it has worn it round just like this one. And I have a feeling that we're going to start seeing a lot more of this. Now, I have been working on these for a long time, and this is the first one that I've run across with the solid steel drive shaft with issues like this. Oh heck yes, whenever they have the model with the braided steel cable. Now, I have seen multiple issues with those breaking, but not these steel shafts. So the first and foremost thing to check whenever your head is not spinning, check your clutch, check the drum, check where this plugs into your drum. If the drum is worn out any at all, just put this in the drum and wiggle it back and forth. If it's got any play, replace the drum. I've seen the plastic liner have issues, but if the head won't turn, you could have gearbox issues, actual gear issues. There's so many different things it can be. You just have to pull it apart and diagnose it. Guys, you can easily check these items yourself. All you got to do is pull the 2 screws off of the gear head down there and wiggle that gear head off, and you can pull the shaft right out of that thing, lickety split. But anyway, hey, if this content helped you out, and I know it did, subscribe to my channel please, and hit that bell to get all my new videos. Y'all have a good day.